Unstoppable in performance and timeless in design, our passionate community welcomes you to experience the legendary '66 Chevrolet Chevy II Nova, a compact muscle car that had been built for speed, style, and pure driving excitement. As one of Chevrolet's most iconic models, the Nova had been continuously refined throughout the 1960s, evolving from a practical commuter car into a high-performance street machine. By 1966, this transformation had reached new heights, making it one of the most sought-after classic cars in history. The second-generation Chevy II Nova had been introduced in 1966 with a bold new design, featuring sharp body lines, a wider stance, and an aggressive grille that gave it a sportier, more muscular appearance. Engineers had focused on enhancing both aesthetics and performance, ensuring that the Nova could compete with the growing muscle car segment. The Supersport SS trim had been introduced as a high-performance variant, featuring distinctive badging, upgraded suspension, and a more refined interior that set it apart from standard models. Inside, the cabin had been meticulously designed to provide both comfort and driver engagement. Bucket seats had been offered in the SS version, complementing a floor-mounted shifter that emphasized its sporty character. A redesigned dashboard had been fitted with clearer instrumentation, giving drivers a more intuitive experience behind the wheel. Premium materials had been used to elevate the interior, while optional, wood grain accents had been made, available to add a touch of sophistication. Every detail had been thoughtfully crafted to enhance both form and function. Under the hood, powertrain options had been significantly upgraded. The 1966 Nova SS had been made available with a powerful 327 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering up to 350 horsepower, making it one of the quickest cars in its class. This lightweight yet high-powered combination had resulted in blistering acceleration, turning the Nova into a true street performer. Multiple transmission choices, including a 4-speed manual, had allowed drivers to experience full control over the raw power that lay beneath the hood. Today, the 1966 Chevrolet Chevy II Nova remains a highly prized collector's item, with values ranging from $3,000 to $100,000, depending on condition, originality, and optional upgrades. Restored Supersport models, particularly those featuring matching numbers, engines, and factory-correct paint schemes, have commanded top dollar in auctions and private sales. Join our growing community as we celebrate the history, performance, and enduring legacy of this classic American muscle car. Engage with us, share your thoughts, and relive the golden era of automotive innovation. The 1966 Chevy II Nova is more than just a car. It is a symbol of speed, power, and timeless appeal, and its story continues to inspire enthusiasts around the world.